So children, the next part in the activity session is write 2 examples for each of the following. So children, so there are 5 types of animals are given. Now the task is we have to write 2 examples for each category of animals, but they are already given the examples below these sentences. Now our task is we have to pick the correct answers. That means we have to pick the suitable answers for each category of animal, and we have to write those words in the blanks provided in each category of the animals. So see the first one, carnivores. So carnivores means which eat only flesh. That means the animals which feed on only flesh are called carnivores. So let us see. So among these answers, which are carnivores? So the carnivores in the given answers are panther. So write panther. And the second example for the carnivores is so leopard. So leopard is also carnivores. So write the word leopard as example for the carnivores. So see the second one, herbivores. So children, herbivores means the animals which eat only plants and grass are called herbivores. So among the given answers, so let us select the correct answers. That means the correct animals which eat plants and grass. So children, deer. So deer eat only plants and grass. So write deer for the second one. And also rabbit. So rabbit is also an herbivore that eat only plants and grass. So write the word rabbit for the second one. So children, so these are the examples for herbivores. Next see the third one, omnivores. So omnivores means the animals which eat both plants and animals. The animals which eat both plants and flesh are called omnivores. So let us select the examples for the omnivores among the given answers. So which are omnivores? So children, bear. So bear is an omnivore. It can eat both plants and flesh. So write the bear as an example for omnivores. The next example for omnivores is cockroach. So cockroach can eat both plants and flesh. So write cockroach an example for omnivores. So children, these two are examples for omnivores, bear and cockroach. Next, see the fourth one, insectivores. So which are insectivores? The animals which eat insects only are called insectivores. So let us select the animals which eat insects among the given answers. So lizard. So lizard in example for insectivores, write the word lizard for the fourth one. And among given answers, which one is insectivores? So spider. So spider is also an example for insectivores. So write the word spider as an example for insectivores. So these two are examples for insectivores, lizard and spider. So children, nectar suckers. Nectar suckers means the animals which feed on fluids. That means the animals which sucks liquid from the flowers are called nectar suckers. So here butterfly is an example for nectar sucker. It can suck nectar from the flowers with the help of its proboscis. That means feeding tube. And also hummingbird is an example for nectar sucker. This hummingbird has a long beak. It can suck nectar from flowers with its long beak. So children, so these are the examples for each type of animals. So children, let us enter the next part in the activity session. So visit a zoo to study the animals and see what they eat. Make a list of it. So children, so some animals are given. So 10 animals are given here. So which we can see them in the zoo. And now our task is we have to write the food of each animal. So what type of food the animal can take. So see the first one, lion. So lion takes which type of food? So the answers are already provided below the these words. We have to select the correct answer and write that word in the blank provided. So lion. So lion is an carnivore. So it eats flesh. So write flesh as a food for the lion. So lion eat flesh. So the food of lion is flesh. And next crocodile. So crocodile is also an example for carnivore. So this crocodile also eat flesh. So write flesh as a food for the crocodile. Next, vulture. So children, vulture is an example for insectivorous bird. That means vulture eat flesh of animals, right? So the food of vulture is also flesh. So write flesh in the blank provided. Next, dolphins. So dolphins also an example for carnivores. It eats the fishes, the small fishes. So the food of dolphins is small fish. It is an aquatic animal. So write fish. Next, bear. So children, bear. So what is the food of bear? So bear is an example for omnivore. It can eat both flesh and plants. So that's why write fish and meat. The food of bear is fish and meat. Next, see the monkey. So monkey will move on the trees and plants from one plant to another plant. So generally the monkey will eat fruits of the plants. So the food of monkeys is fruits. So write fruits in the answer, in the blank. Next, elephant. Elephant is an example for herbivores. It can eat only plants and grass. So the answer, the food for the elephants is leaves. So write leaves for the elephant as a food. Next, birds. So birds will eat grains and nuts of the plants. So the food of birds is grains and nuts. So write grains and nuts for the birds. Next, giraffe. So giraffe will eat grass. The food of giraffe is grass. So write grass in the blank provided for the giraffe. Next, deer. So what is the food of deer? So deer is also an example for herbivores. So it can eat plants and animals. So it will eat the leaves of plants. So write leaves for the deer. So children, so these are the foods for the different types of animals which we can see in the zoo. So this part is complete in the activity session. Now let us enter the next part in the activity session. Draw the following. So children, this is a fun activity. Draw the following. So there are two animals are given. Now we have to draw their figures. One is a butterfly and the second one is earthworm. So children, practice the diagrams of butterfly and earthworm. The diagrams of butterfly and earthworm are given in your PDF. So see the PDF and draw their diagrams of butterfly and earthworm in your notebook. So practice the diagrams in your notebook at your home and see the PDF. You will find the diagrams of butterfly and earthworm in it. So practice these diagrams at your home. So children, let us enter the next part in the activity section. 6 herbivorous animals. So children, our task is name any 6 herbivorous animals. Herbivorous means the animals which eat plants and grass are called herbivorous animals. So their answers are already given here. Goat, deer, elephant, giraffe, ox, cow. So these are examples for herbivorous animals. They will eat only plants and grass. So write these words in the blanks. So goat, next deer is an example for herbivore, and elephant is also an example for herbivore. So giraffe is also an example for herbivore, and ox is also an example for omnivore, and cow is also an example for omnivore. So children, there are some more examples for herbivores. You can also write the names of those animals also, like sheep, deer, horses. So all these are examples for herbivores. So children, the activity part in this lesson is completed. So thank you.